Nicole, and today we are going to try and do some science experiments. The very first one we are going to do is called the light reflection experiment. It's super easy and you can do it at home. The first thing we need is some paper. You will need a marker, and then you will need a bottle that we can see through, and you will have to fill it up with some water. First thing we will do is you will take your paper and draw two arrows, one pointing to the left and one pointing to the right. Your arrows will look like this. Next, you will take your bottle or jar and fill it up with water. Make sure that you can see through your jar. Next, we will take our piece of paper and put it behind the jar. Now, look carefully. You can see that this arrow is pointing to the left and this arrow is pointing to the right. When we put it behind the jar, the arrows will change direction. Let's have a look. So now I want you to try this at home. Let us know how it goes.